Hi everyone, how are you doing today? Today I want to show you how to make Italian Paloma. If you check for the recipe, the specs are kind of all over the place, depending on where you are looking. However, I choose to start with a recipe that makes more sense to me, and I will tell you what I think about it. The recipe calls for tequila, and it's depending on the source. Some calls for Tequila Blanco or Tequila Reposado. Considering we have Campari involved, I will take the Reposado since I think it adds some additional sweetness to the drink. So let's not waste more time and start with the cocktail. We take our glass of choice and we're gonna put some ice. Then we're gonna add 45 ml or ounce and a half of our tequila. Followed by 22.5 ml or 3/4 of an ounce of Campari. The same amount of 22.5 ml or 3/4 of an ounce of pink grapefruit juice. Then 15 ml or half an ounce of lime juice. $15 ml or half an ounce of lemon juice. $15 ml or half an ounce of agave syrup. And a pinch of salt. We're gonna top everything up with 2 to 3 ounces of Italian orange soda. I'm using San Pellegrino today. We're gonna mix. And for decoration, we're gonna go with a grapefruit peel. That's the ugliest cut I could make, but should do the trick. And that is how we make the Italian Paloma. Let's give it a taste. I have to say it's quite good. Kind of one of the strongest notes I noticed, and the first thing that hit the tongue are those peculiar notes from the Tequila Reposado, combined very well with the bitterness from the Campari and the grapefruit juice, and you have at the end some kind of more floral and sweet notes from the orange soda. I think it's a great drink. I totally recommend it, and I think if you use Tequila Blanco instead of Reposado, you will have similar result, but those slightly bitter grapefruit and orange notes will definitely pop up more, since now you have kind of the Reposado notes still in the shop. Thank you for watching. I hope you're gonna enjoy, and I see you next time. Bye bye everyone.